It's me, Super Andrew 418, and I'm in a good mood today. Really good mood today. And you know why am I so really happy? I got a new orange bird. This is Bubbles the orange bird. I got it on April 26, 2013. I got it for like last year instead of this year. I got it at April 26, 2012. And here's the new orange bird. Here it is. Ta-da! Here's the new orange bird. It came out on September 28, 2013, which is today! So this is Orange Bird's twin. This orange bird is so like the same as this. His beak is clean. Fur is so fluffy. His hair is fluffy too. And his tail. And his bottom patch too. And here's the new. This is angry orange bird. And this is cute orange bird. The orange birds get angry when the pig steals candy. Or the eggs too. These both are really cute. And I'm an orange bird fan. Hold on for a second. Okay. I'm uncomfortable now. Now I'm comfortable now. And this is the new orange bird, and this is the old orange bird. And these both look like the same. Okay, this is the new SA418 2013 episode. And I'm working on Super Andrew 418 the movie part 12. And I'm almost done with Super Andrew 418 the movie chapter 2. And I'm going to work on Super Andrew 418 the movie chapter 3. I guess so. So, his name is Bubbles. Guys, could you please introduce yourself? Sure, why not? Hi, I'm Bubbles the orange bird, and I have been adopted on April 26, 2012. Hi, I'm Bubbles number 2, but you can call me Aaron. And I've been adopted on today, September 28, 2013. This is the 2012 version, and this is the 2013 version, I guess. And I'll keep this orange bird, and I'll keep this orange bird. So this is Super Andrew 418 2013 signing out.